Okay, we're looking at basically the first kind of muscle car era car that I ever bought. Bought this car in 1985. I've had this thing forever. It's a 1969 Cougar XR7, so it's not an Eliminator. I wish it was, but it's not. 351 Windsor, has the original motor. I've got a 4-speed automatic transmission for it. Of course, it's got a 9-inch rear end. I've bought a lot of parts for this thing over the years. The interior upholstery and so those are the centerline wheels that I have to put on it. I think they'll look pretty cool, so it'll be kind of a fun thing to put together. I have a lot of stuff for it. The motors, the original motors, already rebuilt, and I'll be showing that here shortly. It definitely is a car that I've had forever, and it definitely needs to be done and put back on the road. And of course, there's a bunch of junk piled on top of it from other cars, so as par for everything in my garage. I just recently moved from one of my other buildings into this one, so it's a little bit of a mess. As you can see, the inside of this Cougar is full of parts and stuff, all the electrical wiring and different types. It's been stripped down quite thoroughly, so dash is out of it, electrical's all out of it. It's had an extensive amount of disassembly, and so it's going to be a big project to put it back together. But like I said, I have all of the parts for it and a lot of new parts for it.